Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Chrome browser. After you open up your Chrome browser, click on this three dots from the top. Go ahead and click on Settings. Go ahead and click on Search Engine. Go ahead and click on AI mode right here. It's that simple. Go back to your search engine. By the time you refresh, then you have your Google Search AI mode right here. Then right here, you can begin to search with Google Search AI mode. Click on here and type in whatever you are looking for. How to use Google Trends, Google Translate, search. And in a few seconds, you have results from Google AI mode search results right here. You can scroll down right here and continue to read the detail as far as this is concerned. Come down below right here and ask further questions. Can you please make this in table? Then just like what you see right here, it has presented the result in table form and also show some relevant video tutorial based on the search result. It's that simple. So this is how to get Google AI mode search on your phone without any stress. For more tutorial like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.